Hi, my name is B. Sirish. I am studying in 8th. I am school name is ZPHS Palakurti.
Hi everyone, my name is B. Diksha. I am 8th standard ZPHS Palakurti, District Janagam, Telangana. My project name is Smart Bridge using Ordinary. Material required: Arduino Uno board, servo motor, soil moisture sensor, small breadboard, jumper wires, Arduino cable. Orange is single, red is 5V, brown is GND, blue wire is 5V, yellow wire is GND. Arduino Uno board, jumper wires connect in breadboard. Jumper wires connect in breadboard. This is soil moisture sensor and this is servo motor. We connect the Uno board. Let's check in the procedure. Connect and power up smart bridge. Connect included 5V power in supply to smart bridge. Pro and plug into AC power outlet. The Letno app will walk you through the Intel system setup and adding devices. The integration report and IP address setting are found in the settings. Let's check. వాటర్ లెవెల్ పెరిగినప్పుడు సాయిల్ మాయిశ్చర్కి తాకుతుంది. అది తాకినప్పుడు పైకి లేస్తుంది. ఆటోమేటిక్గా బ్రిడ్జ్ లేస్తుంది. వాటర్ దానికంతటా అదే పోతుంది. మళ్ళీ వాటర్ తగ్గినప్పుడు ఎట్లుందో అట్లనే ఉంటుంది. Thank you.